Want to share your thoughts on X? In this guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to make your first post. First, launch your X app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will be directed to homepage. Now over here, you're going to find this plus option. Click on that. From here, you are able to upload a post. This is the post composer where you can type out your message. So you can type in, for this guide, I'm going to type in, do you like X account? Next, tap the globe icon to adjust who can reply to your post. You can allow replies from everyone, just people you follow, only verified accounts, or only people you mention. You can also add photos, videos, or even GIF by tapping the icons below the text box. If you want to go further, you can add a voice recording, share your location, or even start a live stream, but we'll keep it simple for now. When you are done with the post, click on the option post given at the top right. In a few seconds, your post will go live on your profile. So you can navigate to your profile page and check. And here you can see your post. So this way you can easily post on an X or Twitter account. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.